You may sometimes need to switch a dataset in a dashboard, either because of a change in the data source or because you've duplicated a dashboard to base your design for a different set of insights. Regardless of the reason, you can easily replace a dashboard's dataset in Luzmo. Let's first add a logistic dataset again to demonstrate. Then, let's go into the Data menu within a dashboard, and right below the Use Datasets, you will find the Replace Dataset option. After clicking on it, select the dataset to be replaced, and a modal will pop up allowing you to select the new dataset, and then which of the columns of the new dataset replace the columns used in the dashboard. If there are columns with identical names and types in the new dataset than those used in the original dataset, an option to automatically suggest column matches will be shown. Note that this feature is not to be confused with the process of account overrides that allows you to change the underlying database when embedding a dashboard based on the user logging in. Once all used columns have an assigned replacement in the new dataset, you can simply click Replace and the new dataset will be in use while all other elements of the dashboard are intact.